In this video, we're going to talk about how to use the Whiteboard application. So this can be accessed in two ways. You can come over here, go to Tools, and Whiteboard, these right here, or you can hide the central panel. So you right-click here, hide the central panel, right-click here, click, set menu app, and then click Whiteboard. Okay. You can change the background color. Let's say we want it to white. And here are different tools. So this one will allow you to click without painting. This tool right here will clear the whole whiteboard. And then the basic tools after that are, we've got the color selector, which will also turn it from other modes into a painting mode. So you can say hi. You've got the width selector. So with these widths, it shows the actual width, and then here it'll show you the radius. These are too big to fit in those smaller squares, so this is good for covering an entire background. So you can go high here again. This tool right here will allow you to download the image. You can open it as a PNG later. This tool here will allow you to erase. It erases as a square, and the width of the square is the same size as the width of these circles you would draw with. Label allows you to write a label, label. And the font size here is comparable to the width of the circle here. Image allows you to either paste an image URL here or to upload an image. So we'll upload this image and post it, and this is the one I just barely downloaded, so I just overrode everything. But starting from the position I put it, so it would have been shifted up and to the left, but because I clicked here when I posted the image, it posted it there. So for example, if I were to click here, it would paste the image starting here. And as I've already said, you can clear everything. You can change it back to drawing mode over here. And I'm actually not holding down right now. So what we're in is we're in sticky mode. And I just exited out of sticky mode by pressing L. So you can go into sticky mode by pressing L. And then whenever you just click once, it'll hold it down. And then you can press L and then click again, and you'll be out of sticky mode. And so just be careful if you're using the label feature. Remember, you might have put it into sticky mode. Meaning to get that fixed so that in label mode, you can't put it into sticky mode. But for now, that's just how you use the Whiteboard feature.